Dog agility is a time sequence of obstacles that a dog masters in the direction of a handler. It is timed, and therefore that's how the competition works. The canine timer is used for training or could possibly use for events. And here it is. We're showing it without the timer modules, just the standalone. So in this case, it says we're not connected to a Wi-Fi, and we will proceed without Wi-Fi. I'm going to direct my dog and use the start button here to time and see what happens. You'll notice that the gates are off. So now I'm going to go ahead and start. Oops, the dog already changed. Come on, pup. Wait. So as I start this, I will call the dog to go. Quicks, weave. Weave, 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 weave. Over. Quicks, come. Over. And that's exactly the obstacle course that we're taking, except for now I have to rush back and turn the timer off. So as you can see, this is not a particularly good way, but it still could be used in manual mode. In manual mode, we have a menu choice up here. We can now go look at the history to show what has happened. See that the last run was 1831. We can also go to the menu and reset timer associations. We'll see how that works later. It has one setting, which means you have to do ready, which is the button on the lower left, before you reset. Or the last menu choice is about. So here's my about screen. And that's all of the ones we have except for the last says return back to the main menu. In this case, we're going to go turn things on. The way that this works is the network sets up this Wi-Fi controller, sets up a standard Wi-Fi private network. I'm going to turn it on. There's a button underneath. And now you'll see there's a green light showing that it's there. So here I'm going to turn on a receiver module. The blinking shows that it's connecting to the Wi-Fi network, but you see there's a single LED. I'm now going to turn on a transmitter, and the transmitter now shows there are two lights at the other end, and that means that that gate is ready to go. I'm going to go set up a second gate here to show what happens. This particular model is AA battery model, so it has a different set. This is the transmitter. Transmitter is on. This is the receiver. There we go. It's now set up and ready to go. So now back to the module here. What we need to do is set up home button, and I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi network. You'll see it is named Agility Dog Tech. That's the network we set up when we first did our first module there. Now we're connected. I'm going to go ahead and stop that timer, and now I'll bring up the timer on here. It does take a while to come up. So now it looks like we're ready to go. Let me go set the dog in the right place. Quicks, come. Quicks, come right here. Wait. You'll see that the timer is set to 0. It's ready to go. Let me see if I can get both on the Quicks, break, weave. The timer automatically set up. Come, Quicks, over. Come. Go, back. Go. And I heard it click on here. So there's our time, 10.3 seconds. You can see that we can run it either manually or with the hardware. Thank you.